Hello everyone. Today I am back with another tutorial. Today I am going to parse one complex JSON and going to connect with API using the Retrofit REST API client. Okay, this is the API I'm going to hit. Okay, let's copy this API. Control C and open the browser. Paste it here. And here you can see this is the JSON response we will get from the API. So this is the JSON object. Inside this, there is a JSON array, amiibo, and these are the fields inside it. Okay, today we are going to parse it. So we are going to cover this tutorial in different parts. So this is the part one of the tutorial. Okay, the output we will get in the end is like this, as you can see. Okay, this is the final output we are going to get after parsing the. As you can see, the project has now successfully been created. Now we need to add some dependency. So for adding the dependency, we will go to our build.gradle app over here, module app. Now here in the dependency, I have already written some dependency over here. You can easily download it from the Google. Okay, let's add this dependency. I am adding the retrofit dependency and Gson dependency and scalar dependency for hiding the string responses. And I'm also adding the glide dependency for fetching the random dynamic images. Let's copy this, Control C, and over here, Control V. Okay. Now I'm also going to add one more plugin over here, which is Kotlin Cap. They're basically used for adding the annotation for the binding adapters. Okay, we are also going to use the binding adapter in our project. Let's copy this over here and come here and paste it. Control V and click the sync now here. Okay, now we are going to design the layout file of the R project. Okay, let's open the main activity over here. Now, if I check my big JSON, there are some fields over here, as you can see. So this is a JSON array. Inside it, there are some fields. Okay, I am going to display those data on the recycler view. So, okay, so I need to take one recycler view. So let's open the Android Studio over here. Now, if I go to the layout file over here and open the activity main file. Now I will take one recycler view and display the data inside it. Okay. Let's cut the text view. I will take one recycler view over here and let's take one recycler view. Recycler view. And the width I am taking is match parent and height I am taking is tab content. Now I am specifying the constant here, start of parent. Okay. Top to top of parent. Now I'm setting the orientation of recycle view is vertical. Okay. Orientation I'm setting here is vertical over here, as you can see. Now I am setting the layout manager. I'm setting the linear layout manager. Layout manager I'm setting is linear layout manager. Okay, let's give it one ID over here. I'm giving one ID. ID. I'm setting record RV. Okay, this is the ID I'm giving. Let's close this. Now this is my recycler view. Now I have also created the design for the adapter. Okay, I am going to design one adapter of the recycler view. So let's take one file over here. Right click, new, layout resource file, adapter underscore course underscore design. Okay, this is my adapter of the recycler view. Let's click OK. Okay, so inside the adapter, we are going to take the fields. These are the fields. So first I will take one image, and inside the image, I will take below the image, I will take those fields. Okay, let's move the Android Studio over here. Now inside it, I will take one image view over here. Let's take one image view. Inside the constraint layout, I will take one image view, Android x.5 compact with get.image view. Now I am taking the width as 200 dp and height same 200 dp I am giving. Okay. Now I'm taking the margin from the top. Margin top I am taking it as 20 dp. Okay. Now I need to specify the constraints. Okay. Let's specify the constraint over here. Start of parent. Okay. Now I've specified another constant, top to top of parent to top of parent, and let's specify another constant and to end of parent. Okay, as you can see, the image moves towards the center over here. Okay, now I can also give it some ID over. Let's give it one ID. I'm giving it one ID. ID I am giving ID. I'm giving IMG. Okay, any ID you can give. Okay, let's close this. So we are going to fetch one dynamic image and display it on our recycler view. Okay. Let's set one random image. If it API fails to load the data, we will display one random image over here. Okay. This is a random image. So image we are basically fetching is a dynamic image. This is a random image we are going to display if the API fails to load the image. Okay. Now take one text view below it. I'm going to take one text view. Let's take one text view. App compact text view. And width I'm taking wrap content. Height I'm taking wrap content. And let's specify the constraint to it. I'm specifying start of parent and top to bottom of below this image, top to bottom of IMG. Okay. Let's specify the margin start. Margin start I'm taking 20 dp. And let's take the margin top also. Margin top I am taking 20 dp. Okay, you can see there is my text. Now specify the text size also. Text size I am taking as 20 SP. Now take the text style also. Text style I am taking as bold. Okay. Now give it some ID over here. I will give one ID. ID I am taking Amiibo series. Okay. This is the ID I am giving it. Any ID you can give according to your choice. Okay, let's close this. Okay, let's open the JSON file over here. So I have taken the first field over here. Now I left with those fields. Okay, let's open Android Studio. Now I need to take one more text view below this. Okay, now next field I'm going to take is character. Let's copy this text view. I'm saving some time. Control C and let's come it over here. Control V. Okay. Now I need to change the ID. Okay, let's change its ID. I'm changing it ID. Now change the top to bottom of Amiibo series. As you can see, this is my first text view and this is my second text view. Okay. Now I am going to take my third field. Let's take the third field. Game series. Okay. The third field is game series. Let's copy this. Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay. Let's change its ID. I'm changing its ID to game series TV. Okay. And the top to bottom of character TV. As you can see, I have successfully taken the three fields over here. As you can see, check on our JSON. I have taken Amiibo series, character series, game series. Okay. Now the third field is head. Okay. Let's take it. Let's copy this. Control C. And over here, Control V. Okay. Let's change the ID. ID I'm changing. Head TV. Okay. Top to bottom of TV. As you can see, this is my fourth text view. Now check the next field. We are going to take the name. Image we have already taken. Now we will take image view. Now we will take the next field, which is the name. Okay. Let's copy this. Control C and over here Control V. Now change the ID. ID I am changing it to name TV. Okay, top to bottom of add TV. Okay, now check the next field. Next field is release. Okay, let's copy this, Control C, and over here Control V, change its ID. ID I am changing it to release TV. Okay, now top to bottom of name TV. As you can see, I have successfully created a design of the our recycler view adapter. Okay, on our next part, we are going to design the adapter of our recycler view. Okay, as well as the API client and API interface. We will cover those topics on our next video. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel and share the videos. Thank you.